Hello, in the previous videos, we've been seeing how to set up the programming environment for Java, installing JDK, JRE, JVM, setting home variables and paths. We also use the open version of the Java development environment. And above everything, we also saw how to install an IDE. We use the IntelliJ, the community version of IntelliJ, and we are now going to see how to install the IDE called Eclipse, which is probably one of the oldest and very most popular among quite a lot of among the community. So this was from the previous video that when we had done it. So let's very quickly see how to install Eclipse. So I'm going to make it a little more specific. Eclipse IDE. Now this is the first link seems good, so you can just make a note of this. Download packages installer. We are looking at the Eclipse installer. So 2021-12 means it's the 2020, the 12th month in 2021. It's a release candidate, and we are looking at the Windows installer. So here we go. We are going to the eclipse.org downloads, and here I'm going to download the x86 64. It means that it's good for the 32-bit machines as well as the 64-bit machine. It includes the JRE, and if you noticed in the previous page, we would have had the adoption also mentioned. So let's download it. I don't know how long it's going to take to download. 114 MB. Oh, it's already done. Great. So let's start the installer, and okay, I think the Windows UAC prompt has to come. Okay, here we go. The installer is getting it's just okay, here we go. So what do I want to do? I want to use Eclipse only for Java development, and if you see, the JVM location is what we did. Other JVMs also can be installed, but I'm not going in for them. So these are all the other JVMs which you're going to have to install. So I'm going with the default, and it's locating itself in Eclipse folder, and I don't think there are any other things. I don't need I need a start entry, but I don't need a desktop shortcut, and we just give install. Okay, you can go through the agreement, and I don't know how long it's going to take, so I'm just going to wait for some time, and it looks like it's installing pretty quickly. Anyway, I'll forward to the point where the installation is complete. Okay, so now let's fire up this baby. Here we go. So Eclipse IDE 2021-22. Okay, so this is the default workspace. I'm not planning to change the default workspace just yet, but in any case, let's just keep proceeding on. So 2021, the December edition is firing up, and I want to create a new Java project, and I am going to call this as Hello World as usual, and I'm going to use the same Java standard edition 17 which we just now installed. And here we go. If I want, I can, let's just skip all of this and go straight to the creation of the project. So here we go. I don't want anything else. I just give finish, and I don't know if I want really a module right now. I'm just calling it don't create, and we have the directory structure. Okay, so we have to create all our files in the source as we told earlier. So within the source, I'm creating a new Java package. Okay, the name of this package is going to be Hello World. Okay, I give finish, and within this package, we are going to create a new class. Okay, and the name of this class also has to be exactly Hello World if it's going to work right. Okay, so we are having a package called Hello World with a public class Hello World, and what we are going to do is the place where the program enters is main. So I'm just going to create the same Java program which we did earlier. So let me just copy. I mean, I don't know if it's in the clipboard. Okay, I'll just type it out. Public static void main. So till this point, it has to be just the same. String is array. So let's go ahead and say args. These are the arguments which you're going to take. Open the bracket, and we are going to print something out. So this is going to use system dot out dot print line. So if you see here again the code completion is coming up, similar to what we did. Okay, so here we go. So print line, and I'm going to give the string within this hello world. Okay, so here we go. You're going to type hello. Oh yeah, we used hello world, right? So this time I'm giving 2 exclamation and world is in small. Let's run this bit of code, and we should have saved it. That's what it's trying to say. Hello world of Java. So again we are changing very basic things. Save and then run. Hello world of Java. So we've installed a couple of IDEs. We've run very simple bits of code, and we will be taking this a little further in the forthcoming videos. So thanks for joining in, and bye for now.